Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Apple Maps and making sure location services are active. This gives accurate positioning. Once done, tap the small target or arrow icon to center the map on your current position. If you're searching for another place, tap the search bar at the top now, because that's where you'll type the name, address, or paste coordinates. Make sure your keyboard appears and that you have a stable internet connection. This speeds autocomplete and brings up suggestions immediately. You type the place you want in the search bar, a business name, street address, or even latitude and longitude, because Maps uses that input to fetch matches. As suggestions appear, tap the most relevant one. If none match, press Return to see full results. Once a result is selected, inspect details, swipe up for reviews and directions, and pinch to zoom the map. If you prefer manual placement, long press any map spot to drop a pin and label it for reference. After you've chosen a place, press directions and pick the travel mode you need. Driving, walking, transit, or cycling each show tailored routes. Tap Go to start turn-by-turn guidance. Voice prompts will follow if your volume is on. If the map or search won't load, try toggling Wi-Fi or cellular, or quit and reopen Maps. If it persists, restart your iPhone because that clears many temporary issues. One key tip: check location services and app permissions if pins or routes seem inaccurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.